Zebronics 2.8M USB power strip with 7 ports, ZEB-TS3320 USB. Multiple sockets. This power strip boasts 7 universal sockets, providing ample space to plug in all your devices, from laptops and monitors to printers and speakers. USB ports. In addition to the standard sockets, the strip also features two USB ports, allowing you to charge your smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices simultaneously. Durable design. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, this power strip is built to last. Durable design. It's lightweight at 684 grams, making it easy to move around your workspace or home.